Hi, good morning. I hope you're well. It's Lynette here. So today I am opening my advent calendars. I've really been enjoying doing this. I know I probably say it every time I come on. Losing track of the days. We're on day number 14. Day number 14. So, oh, it's number 7. Obviously, Lynette. It's Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream. Now, I've used this. I used it a few years ago. I got a really good gift set that had it in it. So it was really good stuff. And night cream is one of these things that I always seem to be short of. So that won't go amiss. And I really do like the Protect and Perfect. So yeah, itchy nose. Does that mean I'm spoiling for a fight or something? I'll be nice. I will be nice. So day number 14, day number 14, what we got up here? Oh, it feels heavy. It's quite a heavy one. Round. See what's in here? Oh wow! Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's another night cream. I was just saying it'll get low on these. So it's the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenated Night Cream. Now, I use the Elemis Marine Cream. However, I get a lot of the sets for the Elemis because the Elemis is quite expensive. But I usually buy it from QVC when they put an offer on. But most of these sets that I get have day cream and they never have a night cream, so I'm really chuffed. Yeah, so 2 really, really good night creams. So yeah, day number 14. It's been quite a good day for me today. I hope you're all well. I hope you're keeping well. I hope you're still keeping with me. I'm really enjoying filming these and doing it kind of day to day. And actually getting the surprise of opening the boxes. So anyway guys, speak to you soon. Bye bye.